everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In this video, I'm going to do a product review of something I've never used before, but I've heard great things about this product, so I thought, why not give it a go? So I'm upstairs. Normally I'm down in my workshop, but I'm upstairs in my bedroom. You are going to see my dog Biscuit just pop in and out here. He's got a case of the Zoomies right now. So if you know what those are, you can understand where I'm at right now with him. Anyways, the product that I'm going to be reviewing is by Mohawk. Mohawk is a line of products that I have stumbled across on one of my Facebook furniture restoration pages. I'm starting to dabble in refinishing on a different level, restoring furniture. I'm starting to really get into restoring veneer. And so I stumbled across products by this company called Mohawk. Everybody said, if you really want to up your game, look into Mohawk products. And when I was doing that, I stumbled across a polishing cream, and it's called Oz. And it looks like this. This is how it came from Amazon. I think they just taped the top just in case it would open up and spill in the packaging. So that's why I got all this tape on it. I haven't even used it yet. So a lot of times in my YouTube videos, I'm teaching you tips and tricks when it comes to restoring old furniture. Biscuit, how many laughs are you gonna do here, buddy? So this time, I sometimes will do a video where I'm reviewing something completely new so you can get my honest feedback on something. I'm not sponsored by Mohawk or anything like that, or by anybody for that matter. So you're gonna get my honest review. I have an old cedar chest in my bedroom. I bought this for $45 at a thrift store, and it dates back to I think it's like the late 1930s or early 1940s. I forget what the serial number is on this piece. If I look, do you guys remember how to check your serial number on your cedar chest? Oh, you know what? This is full of furniture. You know what? I just have clothes in here. Hold on. Let me see. This one dates back to 1943. I knew it was either late 30s or early 40s. Anyways, remember you guys, with your cedar chest, if it's a Lane cedar chest, which this one is, if you read your serial number backwards, you can find out the date of how old your chest is. So that's 1943. The chest is in very good condition, but the finish, it's a little dull, and I want to polish it up. So that's where this product comes in. So you're going to see me use this on this cedar chest. I'm going to reposition my ring light down a little bit. I got a clean cloth. That's how you're supposed to apply it. And I think I'm just going to put a little bit in this little plastic container here, and we're going to get started. Let's do it. All right, everyone, we're going to do a before and after video just to show what the finish looks right now. So this is what it looks like before. You can just see kind of, it's got some glucky parts in it. Glucky, that's my word for yucky, with some gunga on it. So that's what it looks like before. I'm going to take the Oz polishing cream to it. Let's get started on this. So this is what it looks like. It's white. It's fairly liquidy. I wouldn't say it's creamy. It's thinner than I would consider creamy. So they say use a cloth, and you're just supposed to rub it in a circular motion. And let's see what type of results we get from this. Now, I've used Howard's Feed and Wax. Have you guys ever used that? And I've had relatively good results with that product, but I sometimes feel that product is sticky afterwards, and it really doesn't get absorbed into the surface, and it can leave, fingerprints after you touch the piece of furniture afterwards. So what I'm noticing with this, this is giving it a really nice luster, a really nice shine as I work it in to the top of the cedar chest here. It's really going into, it appears that it's going into the wood. It doesn't have much of a smell. See, I'll do stuff like that for you guys. Yeah, I'll sniff a rag, even though it might be potent. What do you think, Biscuit? Hmm? What do you think? Okay, now I'm looking at side by side. Wow. Okay, when I'm down here at this level, I can see the side, obviously, that I haven't done compared to the side I have done. Wow. That's a difference. It is really polishing up nice. I should probably do from this angle, do a close-up so you guys can see what I'm seeing, because I know you probably can't see it from there. Wow. That's looking really sharp. Very noticeable difference there. Very noticeable. I'm going to do that, you guys. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm seeing. What a difference. It's really polishing up nicely. And so I didn't want to paint over this piece. It's just too beautiful and natural. And that's what I'm just noticing with a lot of pieces that I see online. I just see a lot of people. I'm not the paint police. I'm not into that. To each their own, whatever you want to do to a piece of furniture. But I really like the two-tone look. I really like highlighting natural, beautiful wood instead of throwing paint on top of it. And so I want to learn more and more how to up my skill level on how to preserve natural wood and how to highlight it and what are the best products to use to do that. I'm also going to read off of Amazon where I ordered this from. This, just so I'm telling you from the horse's mouth of their product. They say that it cleans, polishes, and protects, and that it's very safe. They say you can use it on furniture, tile, marble, chrome. They also say it's not abrasive. I'm seeing like 4.5 stars up to 5-star ratings on each review. The only negative that I saw when I read through the reviews of this product, one person wrote that you have to apply it frequently, that it's not as durable as like a furniture wax. So that was the only negative I could find online in regards to this product. So I'm going to reposition, and hopefully you guys can see when I do a close-up of what it looks like right now, side by side, where I've applied it and where I haven't. Okay guys, here is the side by side, where you can see where it's much duller there on the left side as compared to the right side. So it's really shining up quite nicely. Okay, you guys, here is the front of the cedar chest. Do you see how dull it is? Let's see if I can polish this up with the Oz cream. That polished up really nice on the front. It's looking really sharp. Woo-wee! Okay guys, I just finished polishing up my cedar chest. It took me, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. It took no time to use the Oz polishing cream. My review of this, I'm going to give it 5 stars out of 5 stars. I really like the sheen of it. It's like, it's not too glossy. It's not smelly. It's not sticky. Sometimes with like polishing creams, they can be really sticky and it seems like they just sit on the surface. This one actually seems like it's getting absorbed. And I really like that. With surface scratches, I notice this is camouflaging those quite nicely. If you have deep scratches, I have a few on here that are pretty deep. This polishing cream, I mean, it's not magic. I mean, it's not going to take away the scratches. I still see the deep scratches, but surface scratches, I notice it camouflages them quite nicely. So I'm really impressed with this product. I'm going to keep using it. In fact, the next piece of furniture I'm going to use it on, I have my mom's upright Baldwin piano in my living room, and I've always struggled every year of like, what do I polish this with? You know, I grew up in the 80s and it was Pledge, right? You use Pledge on everything. And so I know it has a lot of buildup of past polish on my mom's piano. So I want to figure out a way to start keeping, you know, care of that better than what I have been. I've just been using some other, you know, polishes that I know that aren't the best. So I feel like with this, This is actually being absorbed. It's protecting it. It's like basically feeding the wood. I also read online that it helps protect against, fading. A lot of people use it on their wood kitchen cabinets. And then I saw a few people refresh their front wooden doors with this stuff. So a lot of great reviews with this product online. I'm going to put a link below this video if you'd like to order some and check it out. I think it's one of those staples that you should have in your house if you do have wood furniture, whether it's antique or more modern or kitchen cabinets, and you want to polish them up. This stuff is awesome. So great job, Mohawk. You got me to believe in it. So thanks you guys so much for checking out this video and watching me here use this product. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you've used this product and you've used it in other ways, or you have your own opinion of it, drop it in the comment section. I'm always curious when I review a product if somebody else has equally liked it as much as I'm liking this product. And I'm going to continue to keep putting more videos up. My next refinishing video that I'm going to start this evening, I'm going to start to restore a vintage cedar chest, but this one's from the mid-1970s. So it's got some really cool intricate work on the front, and I'm going to show you from start to finish on that piece, me restoring that. So you don't want to miss out on that. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. There is a button in the lower right-hand corner. It's a red subscribe button. When you click on that, then you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I am all over social media. You can find me on Instagram here. That's at bethany.yusuf. You can also find my Facebook business page. I post everything in regards to my business, every project that I'm working on. And you can find me there at Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration. And then I recently just joined TikTok for fun. And you can also find me over there at Bethany.Yusuf as well. There it is right there. So until next time, you guys, I will see you soon. And Biscuit, come here. Come here. Hi, come here. Well, they've been hearing you throughout the video. Oh, now you're going to be shy? Come here. Come here. If people are new to my channel, they haven't seen it. There he is. There's Biscuit. Hi, boo-boos. Our little 5-pound chihuahua. Hi. Yeah, they heard you doing your zoomies. Yeah, don't be shy now. All right, you guys. Biscuit sometimes comes on and he says, what do you say? You say your little toodaloo? Toodaloo. Till next time, you guys. Bye. I'll include pictures of this. Check them out. Bye.